Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. Today we're diving into something I get asked about constantly: how beginners can actually make money using AI tools. Not just theoretical possibilities, but practical methods that work right now. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And unlike previous tech shifts, the barrier to entry is surprisingly low. You don't need to code. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need to know how to leverage these tools effectively, and today I'm sharing the 10 essential tips that actually work for beginners. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Start with AI-enhanced freelancing. The easiest entry point is to enhance existing freelance skills with AI. Maybe you're a writer, designer, or virtual assistant. Don't quit what you know, build on it. For writers, tools like Claude can help you research topics faster, overcome writer's block, and polish your work. But here's the key: don't just paste AI outputs. Learn to use AI as a collaborative partner. For example, if you're a freelance editor, use AI to perform first-pass edits, then apply your human expertise for final quality. This can triple your output while maintaining your unique value. Clients on Upwork and Fiverr are specifically looking for freelancers who know how to leverage AI effectively. Add AI enhanced to your service titles and explain your process. This can help increase your rates by 30–50% by positioning yourself this way. Tip number 2. Create niche digital products with AI. Digital products are perfect for beginners because they scale without your time. And AI makes creation so much faster. But here's where most people fail: they create generic products for overcrowded markets. Instead, use AI to identify and create for underserved niches. For example, instead of making social media templates for businesses, create Instagram templates for independent bookstores, or TikTok script templates for home inspectors. Use Claude to help research these niches. Ask it to identify professions with active online communities but limited digital resources. Then create products specifically for them. Tip number 3. Launch an AI-assisted service business. Service businesses have lower competition than products because they require some of your time. But AI can help you deliver services much more efficiently. Let's look at AI-enhanced social media management. Small businesses desperately need consistent social media presence but can't afford traditional agencies. With AI tools, you can create a month's worth of content in a single day. You'll use text AI to generate initial post ideas based on industry trends, image generators to create custom visuals, and scheduling tools to maintain consistent posting. The real value you provide is strategic oversight, understanding the client's brand voice and business goals, then directing the AI to produce content that actually converts. Podcast to blog content repurposing is another goldmine. There are over 2 million active podcasts, but most hosts lack the time to repurpose their audio content into written formats. You can use AI transcription tools to convert episodes to text, then leverage Claude or GPT to restructure that content into SEO-optimized blog posts, social media snippets, and email newsletters. The magic happens when you maintain the host's unique voice while transforming the content for each platform. Data analysis and visualization is perfect if you have even basic spreadsheet skills. Small to medium businesses are drowning in data but lack the expertise to extract meaningful insights. You can use AI to clean and organize raw data, identify significant patterns, and generate beautiful, understandable visualizations. The key is translating complex findings into actionable business recommendations. For example, helping an e-commerce store understand which products drive the most customer loyalty, or showing a service business which marketing channels produce the highest quality leads. SEO content strategy combines technical knowledge with creative content production. Businesses know they need to rank in search results but are overwhelmed by the complexity. Your AI-assisted service would use tools to identify valuable keywords with reasonable competition, analyze top-ranking content, and then create comprehensive content strategies. You'll deliver content briefs, publish schedules, and even the content itself. AI dramatically speeds up keyword research, competitor analysis, and content creation, while your human oversight ensures everything aligns with the client's goals and voice. When launching your AI-assisted service, start by creating a clear service package document that outlines exactly what clients receive, the timeline, and the deliverables. Use case studies to demonstrate the transformation you provide. Remember, clients are buying outcomes, not your process. They care about increased engagement, leads, and sales, not which AI tools you're using behind the scenes. This positioning immediately separates you from competitors who focus too much on the technology rather than the business results. Tip number 4. Build your AI toolkit strategically. You don't need to pay for dozens of AI tools when starting out. Be strategic about which ones actually drive revenue. Start with a strong foundation. A good text AI, like Claude or GPT-4, will handle content creation, brainstorming, and automation. Pair it with a reliable image generator, such as Midjourney or DALL-E, to create high-quality visuals. From there, choose task-specific tools based on your niche. If you're into copywriting, platforms like Copy.ai can help generate engaging content. If animation is your thing, Studio DID brings ideas to life. And for voiceovers, Otter.ai is a great tool to generate high-quality audio. Start smart, stay focused, and let AI work for you. For most beginners, I recommend mastering Claude or GPT-4 first. Learn prompt engineering, it's your competitive advantage. One game-changing approach is creating custom instructions or system prompts for your business needs. I have different instruction sets for content creation, market research, and product development. This consistency saves hours of repetitive prompting. I'll link my prompt engineering guide below. The tools are just enablers, your process and expertise are what clients pay for. Tip number 5. Specialize in AI to human content conversion. There's massive demand for people who can take raw AI outputs and make them feel authentic, engaging, and human. This is perfect for beginners with writing or editing skills. Companies are generating mountains of AI content but struggling with the last mile problem, making it connect with real people. That's where we come in. We specialize in AI content humanization, transforming robotic text into engaging, natural-sounding messaging. We adapt content to match your brand's unique voice, ensuring consistency across all platforms. And we go beyond words, enhancing emotional storytelling to create real impact. Because in the end, content isn't just about information, it's about connection. The most successful practitioners develop a systematic approach. Create a checklist of elements that make content feel human, personal anecdotes, cultural references, emotional hooks, and conversational flow. Tip number 6. Create targeted AI prompt packages. Good prompts are valuable intellectual property. Most people struggle to create effective prompts, and that's your opportunity. Develop and sell prompt packages for specific industries or use cases that solve real business problems. Real estate agents, for example, need email sequences that nurture leads over months without sounding repetitive or pushy. Your package would include carefully crafted prompts that help them generate personalized follow-ups, market updates, and relationship-building messages. For e-commerce store owners, product description prompts are invaluable. They need compelling copy that drives conversions while maintaining consistency across hundreds of items. Course creators desperately need educational content prompts that can help them develop engaging lessons, quizzes, and supplementary materials that actually help students achieve learning outcomes. The value of your prompt package isn't just in the prompts themselves, but in the complete system you provide. Include ready-to-use prompts that work immediately out of the box. These should be tested and refined to consistently produce high-quality outputs. Pair these with clear instructions that explain exactly how to use each prompt, including which variables to modify and which AI tool settings work best. Perhaps most importantly, include customization guidance that teaches clients how to adapt your prompts for their specific voice, audience, and business needs. This transforms your product from a one-time purchase into an ongoing business asset. From basic packages to comprehensive collections with tutorials. Once created, these packages generate passive income indefinitely with minimal maintenance. I've prepared a free template with all the AI prompts we covered today. Link in the description below. Download and get started right away. Tip number 7. Start an AI-powered content agency. Content agencies are booming because businesses need more content than ever, but they don't have time to learn AI tools themselves. The mistake most beginners make is trying to do everything at once. Instead, focus on mastering one content format you already understand well. Maybe you're comfortable writing SEO blog posts, or perhaps email newsletters are your strength. Some people have a natural talent for social media content, while others excel at crafting video scripts. Whatever your existing strength, start there. By specializing in a single format, you'll develop efficient systems and establish yourself as an expert much faster. Use AI to dramatically scale your production while maintaining consistent quality control. This typically follows a 3-step workflow. First, leverage AI for comprehensive research and generating solid first drafts, which saves hours of groundwork. Second, apply human editing to enhance quality and ensure the content authentically represents the client's brand voice. This is where your expertise truly shines. Third, employ AI-assisted optimization to maximize SEO performance or audience engagement, depending on the content goals. This balanced approach combines AI efficiency with human creativity, allowing you to produce premium content at scale while commanding higher rates than competitors who rely too heavily on either all human or all AI methods. Start by taking on 2-3 clients at lower rates while you perfect your process. Once you have testimonials and a reliable workflow, you can increase rates and expand your team by training others on your AI process. Tip number 8. Offer AI implementation for small businesses. Small businesses know they should be using AI but have no idea where to start. That's your opportunity. Create specialized packages to help businesses implement AI for specific high-value functions. Rather than overwhelming clients with general AI consulting, focus on concrete applications like customer service automation that reduces response times, content scheduling and creation systems that maintain consistent brand presence, basic market research that uncovers actionable insights, or inventory forecasting that optimizes cash flow. The key differentiator is providing complete end-to-end solutions, not just generic tool recommendations. Your package should include thoughtful tool selection tailored to the client's specific needs and budget, custom setup that integrates with their existing workflows, comprehensive training that empowers their team to use the technology confidently, detailed standard operating procedures that document every process step, and ongoing support to troubleshoot issues and adapt as their needs evolve. This comprehensive approach transforms you from just another consultant into an essential implementation partner who delivers measurable business outcomes. Clients gladly pay premium rates for solutions that directly impact their bottom line while removing the technical burden from their shoulders. The beauty is you can learn each industry's needs as you go. You don't need to be an expert in everything up front. Tip number 9. Build a community around AI applications. Communities are powerful income sources because they create recurring revenue. And AI communities are growing exponentially. Don't try to build a general AI community. That market is already oversaturated with competition. Instead, focus on AI applications for specific audience segments where you can provide specialized value. Consider niches like AI for authors who want to enhance their writing process, AI for real estate professionals looking to streamline transactions, AI for small e-commerce store owners trying to compete with larger retailers, or AI for content creators seeking to scale their production. Begin by establishing a free newsletter or social media group to build your audience and demonstrate your expertise. This allows potential members to experience your value before committing financially. Once you've built trust and gathered a core audience, launch a premium community with comprehensive resources that justify the subscription fee. Offer weekly live training sessions that address current challenges, custom step-by-step tutorials for specific workflows, extensive prompt libraries tailored to your niche, facilitated peer networking opportunities that create a supportive ecosystem, and direct access to your expertise through personalized support. This specialized approach creates a community that delivers tangible results for members, making your subscription fee an easy investment decision rather than just another expense. Tip number 10. Position yourself as an AI-human collaboration expert. The biggest opportunity isn't just using AI tools, it's becoming known for your approach to human-AI collaboration. Document your journey, share your insights, and deliberately position yourself as a thought leader in your niche. This isn't about self-promotion, it's about creating valuable resources others can learn from. Create detailed case studies showcasing your real-world results with specific metrics and lessons learned along the way. Openly share your methodology, explaining your approach rather than hiding it as a trade secret. This counterintuitive transparency actually establishes your expertise. Thoughtfully discuss the ethical considerations you navigate when implementing AI solutions, demonstrating your commitment to responsible innovation. Most importantly, highlight the irreplaceable human elements that complement AI capabilities, the strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and creative problem-solving that truly elevate results. This thought leadership approach creates multiple revenue streams beyond your core services. You'll find yourself fielding consulting opportunities, receiving invitations for paid speaking engagements, selling specialized courses to those who want to learn your methods, attracting book deals from publishers seeking practical AI expertise, and naturally drawing higher-paying clients who value strategic partnership over commodity services. Remember, the most respected voices in AI aren't just using the technology, they're shaping the conversation about how it should be used. The key is having a clear perspective on how AI and humans work best together in your specific domain. This positioning elevates you above the tool-focused crowd. These 10 strategies aren't theoretical, they're working right now for beginners just like you. The AI space is moving incredibly fast, but these approaches are based on fundamentals that will remain valuable regardless of which specific tools dominate. Remember, your advantage isn't just knowing how to use AI, it's understanding how to apply it to create real value for specific audiences. Focus on solving problems, not showcasing technology. If you're just starting out, I recommend picking one of these strategies that aligns with your existing skills. Master that approach before expanding. What questions do you have about making money with AI as a beginner? Drop them in the comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. That's it for today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.